We make 3 tools, we make 300 tools. It all depends on the application. With United Grinding, we can dial in our needs with each machine and really become more efficient at what we're doing. It's pretty much, if we can think of it, it can be done. I'm Jeff Prom, president and owner of Sharon Cutwell Company, and we are located in a farm field in Belgium, Wisconsin. At Sharon Cutwell, I see us more as a solution provider than we are just a cutting tool manufacturer. We utilize our engineering, our expertise to create solutions. A lot of what we do ends up going into the aerospace industry. In our case, we're drilling holes in airplanes. And these holes have to be exactly precise, but the tools have to be consistent. And so nothing can change from hole to hole to hole. In that case, we're working with some really smart engineers who know cutting tools very well, and they put some very high demands on us to make sure that these cutting tools repeat. As we've tried to get into new areas, new types of cutting tools, we kept going back to United Grinding North America. They could really help us expand our offering into different areas, whether it was micro tools or long tools or different types of cutters. They could help us grow, help us become more knowledgeable, that we could then go to our customers and bring them new solutions, different solutions. All of those solutions come from our roots of our Walter machines. It's really a combination of, yes, it's a great machine, but great software and then great support. Or if we have any challenges, we come into a brick wall, we can contact the team at United Grinding and they can help us through that. And they've really become a partner. I mean, a partner not only on tooling, but helping us to get into new industries. At Sharon Cutwell, we don't do anything easy. We're constantly challenging our team. What can we do better? What can we do different? You know, that same kind of attitude of sticking with it, making it better, is the same kind of partnership we get from United Grinding. We've been with them for 35 years, and the product gets better and better and better.